In this video, I'll show you how to create anime-style videos with Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Before generating your scene, decide what kind of anime character, environment, and story you want to create. Start by writing a detailed prompt for your scene. Describe the character, clothing, hairstyle, facial features, environment, action, lighting, camera movement, and overall anime-inspired visual style. For example, you could describe a young anime-style hero standing on a mountain at sunset, wearing a detailed fantasy outfit, with strong wind moving their hair and clothing. Dramatic clouds in the background, and a smooth, cinematic camera push-in. Try to keep your character description consistent if you plan to create multiple scenes. Reuse the important visual details instead of changing them randomly between prompts. You can also use image to video if you already have an anime-style image. Upload the image and focus your prompt on the movement you want to add. For example, you could describe the character slowly turning toward the camera while their hair moves in the wind, with glowing particles floating around them and a gentle cinematic camera movement. After entering your prompt, generate the video and wait for Kling AI to finish processing. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check the character's face, hair, clothing, body movement, background, and overall visual consistency. If something looks incorrect, modify the prompt and generate another version. Keep the main actions simple and avoid asking for too many complicated movements at once. For action anime scenes, you can create separate clips for running, fighting, jumping, or dramatic camera shots